The OTC 5025 DEF Refractometer provides reliable DEF quality readings to ensure optimal diesel engine performance and emissions compliance. Low quality or contaminated DEF can cause engine underperformance, reduced power, and increased emissions. This portable, precision optical instrument is specifically designed to measure DEF concentration with ease and accuracy. The refractometer measures DEF concentration from 15% to 40% with 0.5% resolution. Features an easy-to-read scale with clear 32.5% indicator for proper DEF mixture. Quickly verifies DEF quality to prevent engine issues and limp mode. Saves time and money by avoiding costly repairs due to contaminated DEF. Ensures compliance with EPA emission standards for diesel engines. To use the refractometer, first calibrate with distilled water. Then, place a drop of DEF on the prism, close the cover plate, and look through the eyepiece. Read the concentration on the scale. Aim for 32.5% for optimal performance. Don't let poor DEF quality compromise your diesel engines. Test your DEF prior to using with the 5025 DEF Refractometer, so you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.